Fourth graders, how we doing? Hope we're doing good because you probably are doing this for homework at home, most of you. But you're going to do this at home, so hopefully tomorrow when we come to school, you already know what we're going to be working on. So you'll be able to spend more time asking questions, asking me, asking the other two adults in the room questions. So hopefully this is going to help you be more prepared for tomorrow. But today we're going to be going over 3-4 and we're going to be going over the adding whole numbers. And again, what we have to remember is the commutative property, okay? Which that means is the numbers in an addition problem does not change the answer. So if we were going to, for an example, if you got 4 plus 8 equals 12, that is the same as 8 plus 4. So I'm going to place that here as the example, okay? But when we do a word problem, all right, we need to be able to, when we add three or more digits or three or more numbers, we need to be able to line them up like we should. So if we have three numbers, okay, let's say we have three numbers that is 1038. We also have a number that is 94. And we also have a number that is 722. And let's just say these are our three numbers that we're going to add. All right, we're going to add these three numbers, but we need to line them up like we're supposed to. So when we line these up to add, we need to line them up according to their place value. So remember, when we're adding, it doesn't matter which order they're in. So I could go 94 plus 1038 plus 722. But in this case, I'm going to go 1000. I'm going to erase this. I'm going to erase this and do it a little higher so I can get it all in there. So I'm going to go 1038 plus 94, and I'm lining them up like this because I'm putting all the ones place value in one row, all the tens, and I'm going to put the 722 over here because that way I can have all the hundreds in the same. And I'm just going to add all these together. Okay, when I add these, I'm going to put it in red. So, but before we add them, we need to know another vocab word. And what that is, we're going to put it right down here so you know it. And what that is the associative property. Okay? The associative property, if I can type, says that how you group numbers in an addition problem does not change the answer. Okay? So, I'm going to place this, and I'm going to, a little long, I'm going to place that. So, associative property says how you group a number in an addition problem does not change the answer. Okay, what that means is when we add these together, we don't have to go in order. We do not have to go 8 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, we can basically choose what we do. So it's easier to add the 8 plus 2 because that equals the 10. Okay, that equals 10. Then from that 10 we can add the 4, which is 14. Now we put the 4 here and we have to carry that 1 because we have 14. Basically, we need to start thinking that that means 14 equals 110 and 4 ones. Okay, so we got the 4 ones here, and then we carried the 10s into the tens place value. Now, excuse me, my voice is getting a little hoarse, but we need to keep going on our addition problem. So we got 3, or this is probably easier. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus the 3 is 13. Now we got plus the 2, which is 15. So we have 5 tens and 1 100. So we got 7 plus 1 is 8. We don't have to carry anything, so we go 1, bring down the 1, and our answer is 1,854. Okay, so when we do our assignment tomorrow, you need to start thinking you don't have to go in order. You do not have to go 8 plus 4 plus 2. Make it so it's easier to add. Make it so it's 8 plus 2 plus 4. Because once you do 8 plus 2, that's 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay, so we need to start thinking that way. We need to start thinking of these math problems and doing them a little faster. Because we're in 4th grade, we should be able to do them, these adding problems pretty quick. We should master them. So when we come to school tomorrow, in math class, we are going to be able to sit down with you guys. We'll be in 3 groups. You will, one group will be doing the assignment, which I will be with and just kind of helping you through that. Make sure we read all the directions. So this, we need to remember the commutative property, and we need to remember the associative property, which is going to help us add a little bit quicker than doing 8 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, so this is the end of the video, so congratulations, you're done with your homework, yay! Alright, so we'll come to school ready to work and ready to do our 3-4 reteach worksheet, so we can get that done and we can put our new knowledge to work.